In this video, we are going to write the equation of a line if we're given the line, and we're going to write the equation in slope-intercept form, not slop-intercept form as this says. But as long as we can find the slope and we have the y-intercept, we can write our equation in slope-intercept form, which is y equals mx plus b. So what we're going to do is we're going to find the y-intercept, then we're going to pick 2 points on our line, find the slope between those 2 points, and then we have the slope. And now we have everything we need to write our line in slope-intercept form. So let's look at example 1. The y-intercept is 4. So I know the end of my equation is going to be plus 4. So the y-intercept is right there, 4. Okay? All right, now we're going to find the slope. So we got to find another point that is right on the corner. And if you look, there we go. All right, we could also pick this point or this one. All right, and then we're going to find the slope of this line by drawing our triangle on it. We're going to go 3 and 1. Remember, when you do a slope, it's always how far you go up and down over how far you go over. Remember, this is a positive slope. Remember, this is a negative slope. All right, so if we look, we're going up 3 and over 1. So that's going to be 3. And then 3x. Again, we can check our work using a graphing application such as Desmos. You type y equals 3x plus 4 and make sure you get the line that you see here. All right, let's look at number 2. On this one, my y-intercept is 0. All right, and now we're going to find the slope. So let's find another point. It goes right through. We can choose this one. It looks like it goes through right there. Again, draw a triangle. We're going to go 1 and 3. So that's going to be 1/3. I put 1/3 m. It's going to be 1/3 x. The line is moving down, so it's going to be a negative 1/3 x plus 0. And in fact, we can just write it as negative 1/3 x. We don't need to include the plus 0. Again, find the y-intercept. So the y-intercept of example 3 is 2. Find another point. There we go. A lot of 3's in this. I think this is another slope of 3. All right, so my y-intercept is 2. My slope is up 3 over 1. It's a positive slope line. So that's the equation of that line. Again, check your work. Type it into a graphing application such as Desmos. Make sure that you've done that correctly. All right, let's look at example 4. On this one, the y-intercept is 3, which seems to be a theme of the number 3. And then for my slope, I think I have to go all the way to there. All right, this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3. It's moving in the positive direction, so it's 5/3 x plus 3. All right, let's look at 5 and 6. So 5 and 6, 5 is a horizontal line. And remember, horizontal lines are going to be y equals a number. And in this case, it's y equals negative 4. And if you notice, y is negative 4 on all of these points. If you have a vertical line, it's going to be x equals a number. And in this case, it's x equals negative 1, because x is negative 1 on all these points. So, to find the equation of a line, you're going to find the slope and the y-intercept, put it in slope-intercept form, unless you have a horizontal or vertical line, and remembering that horizontal lines are y equals a number, and vertical lines are x equals a number.